Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Bang. Today, let's prepare tasty evening snack, crispy corn samosa. Please do subscribe the channel for more interesting recipes. Firstly, take a bowl and add 1 cup wheat flour. Into this next goes salt and half teaspoon red chili powder. Lastly, 1 spoon oil. Usually, samosas are made of maida, but we are using wheat flour. As maida is not good for health, we can make this recipe using wheat flour. By adding little water, make it into a smooth dough. Now our dough is ready. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Close the lid and keep it aside. The next preparation goes the stuffing. Let's start preparing the stuffing. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon oil. Once oil become hot, next goes roughly chopped onions. 1 large onion you can use. Saute the onion for 3 to 4 minutes. Onions need not be golden brown. Now add sweet corn and fry the sweet corn for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Next add half spoon red chili powder and salt as per your taste. To get more taste, add garam masala. Let all the ingredients fry for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can turn off the flame. Our stuffing is ready. To prepare our crispy samosas, take a wooden plank and add little wheat flour for dusting. Take some dough and roll it in a circle shape. Once the circle is done, let's cut the sides to get a perfect square. Usually, we prepare triangular samosa, but today, let's prepare a different square samosa. Remove the sides. So our square is ready. Now divide the square into 4 parts. You can see I have left the middle portion. Fill the stuffing in any of the sides of the square. Now to one corner you can cut As I am showing, you can make into equal file. One as a row and one as a column. The other edge should be folded as I am showing to you, and the design and the pattern you can just make as you are seeing here. Do it carefully and do not worry if it is broken. I'll show you how to seal it. Our square samosa is ready. To avoid leakages, seal the edges using a fork. On all the directions, you can use the same procedure. Our samosa is ready. Now, take a kadai and add oil for deep fry. Once the oil becomes hot, you can add the samosas which we have prepared. On a medium flame, let's cook it for 3 to 4 minutes before turning it to the other side. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can see our samosas are ready. Let's take it out from the oil. We can prepare all the samosas in the same way. As we have sealed it, stuffing would not come outside. You can notice the crispy texture of samosa. Our crispy square samosa is ready. You can serve it with tomato sauce or chili sauce. Hope you liked today's easy evening snack recipe. Please do share your valuable comments.